I am Jed from GDK Veneering. Today we're going to be looking at a Daimler dashboard. Now the dashboard was sent to us, the customer's had a go himself, and basically what's happened is they've rubbed through, because they've rubbed through the veneer. Basically they've rubbed through the lacquer as they've been trying to restore it. They've run through the lacquer onto the veneer. Now the veneer is really thin. Now by the time in the factory the veneer was stuck on, then it would get sanded. So you imagine something really thin, then it gets sanded, so it's going to go a bit thinner, and then when you go to restore it, sometimes you can get away with a re-lacquer. A lot of the times you don't, because it's already been sanded a couple of times before you go to restore it. In this particular case, the customer has sanded it, then he's re-lacquered it. The lacquer we use is it's like a real thick lacquer that's specialised for cars. Now what happens is it would look like this. So this would sit in, even though it's nice and shiny, the last thing you want to see is something like that, because these are made from plywood. Now the plywood can delaminate. On this particular case it's solid as a rock, so the plywood's fine, but the veneer, it's been rubbed through. And when you do veneering, if you happen to rub through like that, the minute you spray the lacquer on, that emphasizes where you've rubbed through, basically, and that's how you get that. If you're not used to doing it, this will happen, because it's just like a slight angle. If you change it just the wrong way, it'll take the edge off, and then you've got to re-veneer it again. Anyway, this piece down here, you can see that that's gone through there as well. It's nice and shiny. Like I said, this part is covered up, so if you were to rub through on there, it doesn't really matter because it's covered anyway. But because this is right in your face, right in front of you, it's going to show up. So you got that piece. You've also got this piece. Now this piece, it's been rubbed through there. You can see how it's gone right down to the plywood again, and again there. But this is actually starting to delaminate. So if you look at them edges, you can see like that. See how it's moving? We would actually re-glue all that, re-clamp it, make sure that's solid again, because that's another reason why it would rub through, because with it being able to move, because it's not flat, as you sand it, because it can lift up, you would automatically hit that. I'm Jed from GDK Veneering. Thank you very much for watching. Please click like, share and tell your friends. Bye bye.